What's up, well, K-Ball Automotive Rhythms here in New York with the all-new 2024 GM Sierra EV Denali Edition 1. I'm with head engineer Nicole Crash, and we're going to just do a little breakdown on what this new conscious electric vehicle is all about.
The big thing with the EV segment in general, especially early adopters, is range. People get range anxiety because we know that charge infrastructure isn't as available as gas stations.
Right.
So we need to bring over 400 miles of range as a proposition. That's the highest range in our EV pickup segments today across any of our competitors. It really makes for a compelling argument that helps people come into it.
Built at GM's Factory Zero alongside the Hummer EV, the Sierra EV is powered by GM's Ultium platform battery technology, allowing it to achieve a GM estimated 400 miles of range on a full charge.
The second thing is that we want to redesign the entire pickup truck. We're not taking any of our traditional internal combustion, frame, structure, anything. This is all new. The possibilities are really endless. What it shows people is that you can have a totally capable, full-size truck, just like the internal combustion trucks. But now we've added on all this greatness with our EV architecture.
Yes, the signature Denali interior experience delivers the best of both worlds for active truck owners.
So this model is the Edition 1, so it's the top of the line. You're getting the full Monty, every available technology and package. What can Denali consumers expect from this particular model in comparison to the other two models?
So the Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 has everything from adaptive air suspension, off-board power, 10.2 kilowatts, capable of charging essential devices in your house for 21 days if you go without power.
For the fastest energy restoration results, the Sierra EV can handle DC fast charging up to 350 kilowatts, enabling 100 miles of range in 10 minutes.
Yeah, so we're going to have an elevation model in 2025 model year that starts at $50,000. There's also an AT4 that'll be in 2025. It's got a 2-inch factory lift with off-road tires, so
nice.
a little more of that off-road persona.
Yeah.
There's really going to be an EV in a price point for everyone. We'll have various mileage packs available. This truck comes with that over 400 mile pack. There'll be other ones available in 2025, and then also different option contents. This is obviously fully loaded. It crab walks, it's got rear steer. There are other options that'll be available differently to change up those different price points.
Well, thank you, Nicole, and congratulations on your quiet storm. Really impressed.
Thank you.
The prospect of switching from a gas truck to an e-truck is exciting and simultaneously interesting. Yet the future is now, and now is the time to adapt to EVs so we can all collectively reduce the carbon footprints that we have created. For more information and reviews, visit automotiverhythms.com, the urban automotive experience.